Getting cows on feed quickly after calving is one of the most important and difficult tasks to accomplish on a dairy. Cow Octane can help you achieve this goal. It's proven in side-by-side cow preference studies to be the most palatable drinkable cow drench on the market. Developed by Scott Blevins, an innovative and aggressive 6,000 cow manager in Wisconsin, and a dairy and Animix, a leading maker of water dispersible feed additives for the feed industry, Cow Octane's proven to promptly improve cow hydration and early lactation dry matter intake. On any dairy, one lead problem at calving is the stress associated with it. Fluid loss, rumen dysfunction, a taxed immune system, these are all big problems on dairies. And a key solution is a drinkable drench, a high-quality one that the cows will actually consume. Cow Octane delivers in these solutions. A palatability study was conducted on Scott's Dairy, where 1 pound of Cow Octane was blended into 5 gallons of warm water and offered in tandem to every cow that gave birth in the winter, 80 consecutive births, compared to 1/2 pound, the label directions of a leading competing brand, Techmix YMCP, blended at label directions at 1/2 pound and 5 gallons of warm water. Maternity barn personnel reported which solution was consumed, if neither or both was consumed by the cows. This image shows the simple procedure that was implemented on 80 consecutive births. You can see that 32 of the 80, or 40%, preferred Cow Octane, and it was a 3-to-1 advantage compared to YMCP. About 40% of the cows, 40%, did not consume either, and that also points toward how one benefit to Cow Octane. Since it's highly water dispersible, it goes through pumps easy and tubes easily, so no clogging of that equipment. So even though everybody prefers to avoid it, when you do have to do it, the labor-intensive and risky practice of tubing cows with a drench, Cow Octane is still your preferred product. Here again shows the results. You can see I already went over what was reported in the prior slide, but 60% of the cows on your farm should consume this drinkable drench if it's presented. And for those that aren't, it's going to be, that's a 3-to-1 ratio compared to a leading competing brand. And for those that don't, it's still going to be your product of choice if you have to drench the cow. So you get it into the cow. What are the benefits? Well, it stimulates water and early feed intake and early dry matter intake. We all know how critical that is. Cow Octane also provides a highly bioavailable and soluble source of calcium that can assist in preventing milk fever. The yeast and fluids that are coming with the product are going to stimulate rumen function, and it contains electrolytes that are desperately needed in that dehydrated cow. It's also going to provide vitamins, magnesium, and trace minerals. But most importantly, again, it's readily consumed. You should use the product at 2 scoops, which is 1 pound and 5 gallons of warm water. Or if you are going to tube the cow, you can dense that up in 2 scoops and 2.5 gallons of water. It will be your most readily consumed, highly dispersible, properly formulated product you've ever tried for a drinkable drench.